Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we used and edited the view functionality and created conditional formatting on rows in the Catalog Items view. We will continue our training by using the View filter, creating a new view, and editing existing views for customers, orders, order lines, and payments. In the Catalog Items view, let's begin by clicking the Filter button. In the first condition, select Catalog Item, Starts with, and type G. To add a second condition, click the plus button, select MSRP, greater than, and type 3000. Click the Apply Filter button to see the filtered results list. Let's click the Clear Filters button to return the records to the default. And click the Filter button again to collapse this panel. OK, let's click the Inventory Accounts tab, and you can see our current inventory accounts are shown by financial year. We will now create a new view which will present the inventory by catalog item. Click the View selector and select Create New View. In the view name, type Inventory Accounts by Catalog Item. And now we can use the Available and Selected Columns list and Move buttons to reorder the fields. Put the columns in the following order: Catalog Item, Inventory FY, Beginning Inventory, Purchased Inventory, Sold Inventory, and Ending Inventory. Scroll down and set Group By to Catalog Item Ascending. Next, set Sort By to Inventory FY Ascending, then By to Beginning Inventory Ascending, and set Total By to Ending Inventory Total. OK, let's scroll up and click Save to return to the newly created view. Let's try using the View selector to navigate to different views within a tab. OK, we will now edit existing views, starting with the Customers view. Select the Customers tab, and in the View selector, All Customers option, click the Edit button. Use the Available and Selected Columns list and Move buttons to reorder the fields into the following order. Scroll down and set Sort By to Customer Ascending, and click Save. Next, we will select the Orders tab, View selector, All Orders, and click Edit View. Scroll down and reorder the fields into the following order. Scroll down, set the Sort By to Order Ascending, and click Save. To edit the Order Lines view, let's click an order, scroll down to the Order Lines section, and click the View selector. Now click the Edit button. Use the Available and Selected Columns list and Move buttons to reorder the fields into the following order. Scroll down and set the Sort By to Order Ascending. Then click Save. OK, let's click the Payments tab, and in the View selector drop-down, click the Edit button. Reorder the fields into the following order. Now let's scroll down and set the Sort By to Payment Ascending. Finally, click Save. And that's it for this video. We have filtered records, and also created and edited views for our classic guitars application. In the next video, we will be editing the new inventory account and catalog item pages using the Design This Page function. Thanks for watching.